Hello, dentists of Lutz. My name is Stephen Trevathan, and today I want to talk to you about SEO. How many of you have heard of Serenity Dental? Probably most of you. They're a big dentist practice with billboards all around North Tampa. If you've been racking your brain about how to compete with them in 2019, I'd like to suggest investing in local SEO, and here's why. There's actually a really big opportunity for another dental practice to establish themselves as an authority website in Lutz. Let's run a search on Google for dentists in Lutz. If you aren't showing up on page 1, you could be losing out on as much as 40% more revenue for your practice. Could you really afford to be missing out on an opportunity like that? Let's take a quick look at the traffic numbers for Serenity Dental. As you can see, it's clear they have a very popular website. All that high quality traffic is resulting in more patient requests and more phone calls for their practice. Hopefully this video has illustrated the potential that local SEO can have for your practice this year. If you'd like to learn more, we are a local digital marketing agency and we'd be happy to come meet with you in person at your office. You can use the link below this video to schedule that first meeting.